Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Today I'm flying from Zadar to Pula on board the Croatia Airlines Bombardier Dash Q400. This is the shortest domestic route of Croatia Airlines with a flight time of 25 minutes. I'm actually connecting here in Zadar and I arrived from the capital city, Zagreb. All 5 connecting passengers to Pula had to stay in the aircraft as the connection time was around 15 minutes. The cleaning team had like 5 minutes to go through the cabin and collect the rubbish while we were sitting there. This Bombardier Dash Q400 can carry up to 76 passengers. There are 21 rows in 2 seat configuration. These seats are not that comfortable, but they are perfect for such a short flight like this. Each one has a big tray table with a very practical cup holder in it. I really appreciate this small but useful detail. Alright, now let's take off and enjoy the beautiful view. It was an amazing takeoff. There were like 16 people on board this flight to Pula, and Croatia Airlines does not sell business class tickets for a short domestic flight like this. There were no onboard service and we had to remain seated during the entire flight.
Gentlemen, welcome to Pula. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and do not open the overhead compartment until the seatbelt liner has been switched off. Smoking is still not allowed. We thank you for flying Croatia Airlines, a member of Zadar Airlines, wishing you a pleasant day and goodbye.
Look at this incredible engine. I don't want to, but I have to leave the aircraft here for like 20 minutes because I'm continuing my journey to Zagreb. This time everyone had to leave the aircraft and we had to go through a security check, then wait and come back to the same plane. I'm also gonna make a very similar review from my flight from Pula to Zagreb, so if you don't wanna miss that, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And that was it for today's trip report. See you soon.